Hi friends, my name is Saurabh Chaudhary. I am the chef de cuisine for Novotel Hyderabad Convention Center. Today I will be doing a dish called Parmesan Chicken Goujons. Parmesan and chicken both are my favorite ingredients, so I thought of innovating this dish and a starter. So to start with, I'll take a pan. So goujons is actually finger cuts of nice lean chicken. So I'll season it, little bit of salt and little bit of pepper and a bit of mustard. It's a pretty simple dish, so I keep it marinated for a while. Then I'll make a nice slurry. So I'll take some flour, I'll put parmesan, a bit more of seasoning, salt and pepper, and 1 egg. I'll use a bit of water so that my slurry is not too thick. It's runny and it's just enough to coat my chickens. Once this is done, I will take some fresh batch of flour, dredge the chicken breasts in the flour, in the dry flour, which is cut into goujons or fingers. And the goujons goes into the slurry. So this is our breadcrumb powder. It's always essential to use a flat tray, so the coating is really uniform and you don't miss out on pieces of chicken which is not coated. So take it out from the slurry, lay it out on the breadcrumb. And then give it a nice shake so that it is coated nicely. So the ones which are coated, you can keep it on one side. So my goujons are rolled nicely like cigars. So next what I have to do is fry them down. So we will check our fryer here. So my Parmesan chicken goujons are already crumbed in breadcrumb, and so now I will be frying it in a deep fat fryer at around 180 degrees centigrade. So my oil is hot, so I'll shake off the excess flour. Till they're nice, golden and crispy. So what I do is, while frying, I always shake my basket so that the heat is uniformly distributed and the coloration is uniform. So this is one of the tips that I can give you for cooking this dish. Yeah, I'm happy with this color, so I'll keep it off for draining of the excess oil. So meanwhile, I'll do a small side salad to go with this one. You've got a nice plate. It has got some nice rocket lettuce or arugula, what people in Italy call this salad herb. So again, a bit of salt, just a touch of freshly cracked pepper, some extra virgin olive oil, very little. A nice toss. So I have decided to present my dish in a nice frying basket. lined with a grease-proof paper. I always like to go an extra mile and then garnishes my food with some microgreens, which are my favorites. Just a sprinkle makes it look really sexy. Some edible flowers. So my Parmesan Chicken Goujons are ready with a side salad of arugula or rocket. Hope you enjoy this dish.